Adding a debit card in Paytm is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search and open the Paytm site and see how to add a debit card to Paytm. Simply follow these steps to add a debit card into Paytm. Open the Paytm mobile application and go to your profile section by clicking on the profile picture on the top left corner of the main screen. The left sidebar that opens will display various options for you to choose from. To add a credit or debit card to your Paytm account, click on the Payment Settings option. Then next, click on the Saved Cards option. On the next screen that opens, you'll be able to see a list of your added cards. Beneath those card details, click on the option to add new card. Next, you'll be notified that Paytm will deduct 1 rupees from your new debit card to be added. This is done to authenticate your card details. Note that the debited amount will be refunded to your credit or debit card within the next 48 hours. Now, click on Proceed. The next screen will ask you to add your desired card details. Ensure to tick mark the option to save this card for future payments. Then, go ahead by confirming the payment of Rs 2 from your new credit or debit card. Once the payment is done and your details are verified, your new card will be successfully added to your Paytm account.